Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a BIOS warning that many Dell laptop users face after replacing the motherboard, updating the BIOS, or resetting the system. The warning message says, "Warning, the service tag has not been programmed. This system will not function properly without a service tag. The setup utility will launch the service tag installer." If you are getting this message every time you start your laptop, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain why this problem occurs, what the service tag actually is, and how you can fix it safely in just a few minutes. First of all, let's understand the issue. Every Dell laptop has a unique service tag assigned by the manufacturer. This service tag works like the identity of your laptop. It helps Dell recognize your device for warranty services, driver downloads, BIOS updates, and technical support. When the BIOS cannot detect this service tag, it displays this warning message during startup. This usually happens if the motherboard has been replaced, the BIOS has been reset, or the service tag has not been programmed after repair. Now, let's move on to the solution. The first step is to locate the original service tag. In most Dell laptops, it is printed on a sticker at the bottom of the laptop. It may contain a combination of letters and numbers. Before you continue, carefully check that the service tag is clearly visible and make sure you copy it exactly as it is written. Even a single incorrect character can cause problems. Now restart your laptop and immediately press the F2 key to enter the BIOS setup. Inside the BIOS, find the service tag field. If the field is empty, simply type the original service tag exactly as it appears on the sticker underneath your laptop. After entering the correct service tag, press Enter, save the changes, and exit the BIOS. Now restart your laptop again. If everything was entered correctly, the warning message should no longer appear, and your laptop will recognize its original service tag successfully. One important thing to remember is that you should always use the original service tag that belongs to your own laptop. Never enter a service tag from another device, because every Dell laptop has its own unique identification number. I also recommend taking a clear photo of the service tag sticker or writing it down somewhere safe. If the sticker becomes damaged or unreadable in the future, you'll still have the original service tag available whenever you need it. I hope this tutorial helped you solve the problem. If it did, please like this video, share it with anyone facing the same issue, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support encourages me to create more laptop repair tutorials, BIOS solutions, Windows fixes, and troubleshooting videos. Also, if you have any questions or if this solution worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback and help you with any other issues. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.